How to buy Pain token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. Now this token is created 3 hours ago and increased by 3000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. That's many investment in a safe place. This token is trending number 3 in Solana section on the screener right now. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. The token address is under the Solana network. Open your Fudge wallet for that. Now after that, as you can see, click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet, of course. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this hours you can click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see how much you receive. This is it. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And now click on swap and you will be able to read access to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Pain token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.